Okay, I thought I'd show you. This is how the replacement window for the Casita comes in, all packed in a, framed in a box, and well, you can see actually a lot of it's already busted loose from transit. So, but I'm just going to zip out the rest of these screws. And to open this up, looks like they use a variety. It looks like it's ready to just peel off. There. All right. So now you can see your window's already packed. And you can see they give you the hardware as I discussed in my earlier video. So this is that rear right window. They call it window 3. And so I'll just get you a picture. Get that, you can see it comes ready to go for installation. So everything's already there. Seals there. It's ready for installation. So alrighty, hopefully this is helpful. My next video I'll do of the actual finished installation.